from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
A win for Henrico residents concerned about proposed data center in Hanover County. And a look at what Henrico County's delegation to the General Assembly is focused on as the new session gets underway. We'll tell you about those stories and more in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Friday, January 16th, 2026. Starting off in the teens today, but we'll get up to 40 degrees under mostly sunny skies. The News Minute is brought to you today by Ironworks Soaps.
And now for the news.
And former Henrico Doctors Hospital NICU nurse Erin Strotman yesterday pleaded no contest to 9 counts of felony child abuse involving 9 babies and incidents dating back to 2022. Strotman had originally faced 20 counts in the case. A no contest plea means she denies intent to harm but admits there's enough evidence for conviction. During court proceedings, prosecutors showed video evidence of Strotman pushing down on baby's legs and falling while holding a baby. The state will seek no more than 3 years behind bars for Strotman. That's a sentence that all the families have agreed to. Sentencing will take place June 5th at 11 a.m. Last night, the Hanover County Planning Commission voted to deny a motion that would rezone about 400 acres just north of Henrico's Wyndham community for a data center complex. The proposed 10-building project would take over the existing Hunting Hawk golf course and surrounding acreage, but it's been met by strong opposition from both Hanover and Henrico residents. Hanover planners also voted not to recommend 2 other motions that are related to the development, a conditional use permit and a comprehensive plan amendment, according to our partners at WTVR. The Hanover Board of Supervisors holds final authority on the proposal. It will discuss things at its February 25th meeting. The General Assembly kicked off its 2026 session on Wednesday. Later this morning on HenricoCitizen.com, you can read about the issues that are most important to Henrico's delegation. Our government and education reporter Leanna Hardy spoke with a number of members of the county's delegation. And there are 2 main areas of focus for the delegation, both related to affordability, one in housing and the other in energy. Delegate Destiny LaVere Bowling has introduced several initiatives endorsed by Governor-elect Abigail Spanberger that aim to bring energy costs down for homeowners and renters, including bills that would establish a grid utilization standard for Dominion Energy and create a task force to help identify barriers for Virginians in accessing the state's energy efficiency programs. Senator LaCherice Aird hopes to address the county's high rate of evictions by giving localities more authority to enforce tenants' rights when landlords have failed to properly upkeep a property. You can read about these and some of the other bills introduced by the county's delegation later today. Henrico police officials have arrested a woman and they are looking for a man and another woman in connection with the June 2025 death of a 3-year-old girl. All 3 face criminal indictments. The girl was found unconscious in the 5400 block of Williamsburg Road on June 3rd and was pronounced dead shortly thereafter. 41-year-old Tamika Nicole Burton of Henrico was taken into custody on January 12th following a grand jury hearing at which the indictments were issued. She and 42-year-old Harvey Joe Turner III, also of Henrico, each face charges of felony murder, 2 charges of child abuse, 2 charges of child endangerment, and possession of a Schedule I or II drug. Turner is currently wanted by police along with 19-year-old Jemiah Sierra Hunt, who was indicted on 2 counts of child abuse related to the child's death. If you know anything, call police at 804-501-5000 or Metro Richmond Crime Stoppers at 804-780-1000. And it's Friday. That means you can find our weekend top 5, a list of 5 great things happening around the county today, tomorrow, and Sunday on our website, along with our Restaurant Watch, latest inspection reports from a number of restaurants in the county. Among the events taking place this weekend, Greenberg's Great Train and Toy Show, both days from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. at the Richmond Raceway Complex. Hope you make it a great weekend. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by Ironworks Natural Soap. Ironworks, a men's grooming and supply company, is located in Short Pump and has launched a new line of soaps for men. They're all natural and offer a great lather, provide nourishment for skin, and have no synthetic ingredients. Learn more at ironworkssoap.com.